Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to talk about pH in our daily life. It is a very important topic for class 10. pH in digestive system. The gastric juice in our body produces hydrochloric acid. The pH of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is 1.2. This hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of food. Due to some cases we can eat excess amount of oily food or some other reason, the stomach may segregate excess acid which causes pain and irritation. To avoid this we can uh, eat mild bases like milk of magnesium hydroxide or baking soda, which neutralize the excess acid segregated in the stomach and gives relief. This type of process will not affect the stomach. So this is the case in stomach. So we can avoid stomach irritation by eating excess acidic food. We cannot eat any acidic food, and if at all eating the spicy food, which junk food, which can cause this type of acidity in the stomach, we can avoid this by using mild bases. Next I am going to tell about pH change affect the mouth. How the change in the pH of the mouth can causes tooth decay. The teeth is made up of enamel, which is made up of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate is insoluble in water, and it is probably the hardest substance in the body. The enamel get corroded because the pH will be fall below 5.5 acidic. This happen only by eating the sugar, chocolates and spicy food, junk food, all acidic items. These materials left in the tooth cavities, and bacteria present in the mouth degrade the food items into acid. These acid materials slowly corrode the enamel and leads to tooth decay. It is painful and irritating. To avoid this, proper brushing and using a suitable toothpaste. The toothpaste is made up of a basic material which neutralize the acid segregated in the tooth. So this is the method to avoid tooth decay. Next, the sensitivity of plants and animals in pH change. The plant and animals are very sensitive to the pH change. Very sensitive to the pH change. Plant, growth of plant and survival of animal will largely depend upon the availability of suitable pH condition. For example, our body works smoothly in the pH range of 7 to 7.8. Less than 7 or more than 7.8 leads to disease. Okay, the pH of rainwater is 5.6. Due to some atmospheric disturbances, acid rain fall into the rivers and water bodies. The aquatic organisms in the water bodies may affect due to rainwater, because the pH of rainwater is acidic. It affects the life of the aquatic organism. Next, the self-defense of plants and animals against the chemical warfare. Naturally, plants and animals have self-defense mechanism to fight against their enemies. These plants and animals inject acid or base to their enemies, which cause intense pain and irritation. For example, a honeybee sting to a person leads to pain and irritation because it segregates some acid to the skin of the person. To relieve from this effect, we can rub the affected place by some mild bases like milk of magnesia or baking soda. is a insect which stings a base, liquid base to the skin of the body. To avoid the pain, we can rubbing the affected area by certain weak acid like vinegar, which neutralizes the paining effect. Okay, next, some plants also having the stinging effect. For example, a nettle, a herbaceous plant from the family of Thalophyta, hairs of this plant is sharp. If a person accidentally touches the leaves, it inject methanoic acid to the skin of the person, which gives burning effect. To get relief from this pain, we can use some bases like baking soda to the affected part of the body. Next, the pH change and the plant growth. The plant growth only in the specific range of pH. For example, the pH of the soil is close to 7, the plant grows healthier. If the pH of the soil is more than 7 or less than 7, may cause adverse effect in the growth of the plant. If we can use pH of the soil of different places have different. We can use a chemical fertilizer to change the pH of the soil. We can use the chemical which adjusts the pH of the soil to optimum range, which will be favorable for the growth of the plant. For example, if the soil is too acidic, pH will be less than 5. In this case, we can add a considerable amount of calcium carbonate, quick lime or slaked lime, which is acidic. So it can neutralize the effect, which is basic, which can neutralize the effect of the acid. In some soil, the pH range is more than 7, which is basic. In this case, the organic decaying matter is added as a fertilizer. In this case, they are acidic in nature. Thank you, children, for your nice cooperation. Have a nice day.